Today we will learn about the expansion and factorization of linear expression from book D2, because the chapter 4 exercise 4a, first we in chapter 3 learn the 4x plus 5. Here only involve the one variable. But in this chapter there are two variables involved. Just for reminder, this is variable. Any unknown is a variable. Which digit multiplied or which other variable multiplied with the variable is called the coefficient, and this is called when there is no variable constant. Linear expression means the power of x is always 1 if there involved the one variable. If I write 4x plus 2y minus 6, here involve the two variables x and y, and other 2 is also coefficient, 4 is also coefficient, but 6 is constant, and plus minus are the operator. From there we do the questions with the help of these operators. This is two variables. So in this chapter there involve the two variables. First thing, variables. First thing in this chapter, question number 1 involve find the products. Product mean just you multiply the things which are given to you. Product is the multiplication of the things. If they are numbers, you multiply, just like if there is 2 and 3, you just multiply and get the 6. But when the involve the variables, so then you do the product and find the product like this. A part is 6x multiplied minus 2y. So same, if I write this expression 6x minus 2y, it is the same because there involve the two variable, but two variables are multiplied same, they are not same, so we don't know what is their quantity or what is their answer. So 6x the whole expression multiply the inside expression plus minus, where is nothing is written, there is plus exist. So 6x minus 2y, 6 2s are 12, x and y is your answer. In B part, 14x multiplied 1 by 2y. When the multiplication of 14x means 14x divided by 1. Everything is always divided by 1, but we no need to write divided by 1 everywhere. But where is the next term is fraction, so it means it is 14 by 1. So 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. So we multiply 7x multiplied 1y. So this is 7xy. Question number 2, expand. Number 1, 8x y minus 1. In the previous chapter, you make the same variable with the distributive property, and here involve the two variables and we use the distributive property. So we multiply 8x with y, so it will be 8xy, and again 8x minus 1, so it will be minus 8x. This is your answer. In the second, 9x multiplied by 3y, and again 9x multiplied by minus 2z. This minus is the part of this 2. So 9 3s are 27, x and y, 9 minus 2 minus 18, x and z. And in this term This minus is also involved where we take this whole term minus 7x. Minus 7x multiplied with s. Minus 7s. Here are 2s, so it means its power is 2. Don't write 2s. S square, because when s multiply by s, it will be s square, because when there are two variables, their powers are added during the multiplication. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So s multiplied by s, s square. If I multiply v multiply by v multiply by v, so the powers are added, so it will be v3. So in the same way, 2s when multiplied with each other, their powers are s square. Minus 7s with minus 4t, minus minus plus 7 4s are 28, s and t, minus minus plus 21, 7 3s are 21, s and u. This is your answer. Question number 4, expand. A part is x plus y, x plus 6y. Here are two variables and two expressions. This is one linear expression and this is second linear expression. And now we multiply this x, first this, and then this will be this with this. Now x square plus 6xy. Now this plus comes here. We write it this plus. Now this y, first multiply with x and then multiply with this 6y. So yx, it will be xy or yx is the same. Just like 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 and 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. If I multiply x multiply by y or y multiply by x, in both form we get x, y and xy. In this method we use this thing and xy and now y, 6y square plus 6y square, 6xy plus 1xy. So this is x square plus 7xy plus 6y square. Like terms are added, but this is not like with this, because here variable is x and here variable is y. Both variables are different, but having the power of 2, it means we write them as it is, x square plus 7xy plus 6y square. Thank you.